Friends, Running Kimono here. So we have very cheap Tide. We have a bunch of freebies over at Walgreens. And I mean, the hits keep coming. This is a very good ad. My question for you is, because it's so close to Christmas, are you shopping? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments down below. And the two boosters, these two specifically, are online only. They are not in store, so we're going to have to investigate that tomorrow, especially the top one that's 15 back when you spend 45 in P&G products. So we will look into that tomorrow. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It really helps out the channel to make sure that I don't end up in a YouTube timeout. If you could take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. Okay, so on Saturday, I used this code 5FREE4X6, exactly as pictured. It's 5 4x6 prints completely for free when you use that code. It's one per account. And then I went to the store right away after I put my order in, and guess what? This guy printed for me, which is the 5 back when you spend 15. I have two accounts. It only printed on one, but I mean, it costs nothing to give it a shot. So if you want to try to use that specific code for 5 4x6 prints, give it a shot. If it doesn't work, you know, such is life, but it worked for me yesterday. So give it a shot and hopefully one of these print for you guys. So the first deal we're going to talk about is 90% off of the Walgreens brand nicotine gum, or possibly the patches if you can find it. If you can find any of these products that are 110 count or like the more expensive ones for $5 or less, you're going to get them for free. And this is using a store coupon, and I tested this out this morning. I found 3 of these at $3.99 a pop. We have this store coupon, which is a 5 off of 1. Now with the store coupon, it's different than a manufacturer, because basically what it'll do is take the cost of the item and make it like exactly $3.99. And it's completely for free. It's not like a manufacturer where you need $5 or more, and this is 5 off of each. So just to show you the receipt, it's actually BOGO 50% off. So the first one was $3.99. The second one was $1.99, and the amount was just melting off exactly as pictured. So if you can ask for a couple price checks, or if you see things at $5 or less, you're going to get them for free. And this is like, I think they're probably shrinkflating all of the packaging. Now, alternatively, if you find the Walgreens nicotine patches, the 14 count, there's also this 5 off of 1. The other one was for the gum. Scan, ask for a price check. If it's $5 or less, you're getting them for free. And I tested it this morning, so I'm getting like a $39.99 item completely for free, which is unheard of and crazy. You will have to show your driver's license. So for the teenage couponers out there, you're not going to be able to do this deal. And then they scan your driver's license and you're able to buy them. It's just one of those products. And we have the Head & Shoulders 2-in-1 Clinical Strength Dandruff Defense. It does everything, including your taxes. This shampoo, it is $5.49 on clearance, and there was a coupon that was floating around, and then it disappeared. And then this morning, a new one showed up, which is $2.25 off of this. So you're going to load this coupon, and it's $2.25 off of 1. So I only grabbed 1. Over on IBOTTA, you're also going to get back an extra $1.50 for this product, which is really fantastic. Here's the math. Grabbing one of those Head & Shoulders Clinical for $5.49, subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $3.24. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $1.50 back. It makes it $1.74 for a product that's just under $10. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. But what a deal, especially if you use this Head & Shoulders. Now, this Dex deal is just a complete freebie, and I think it's a little bit of Christmas magic. We're looking for 2 P&G dental care products at $3.50, so a brush and a paste. That's where it mathematically makes the most sense for me. So just to show you what my cart looks like, I have 1 brush for $3.50 and then 1 paste for $3.50 for a total of $7. You're going to load the following digital coupons. That's a $2 off for the brush and a $2 off for the paste. Looking at this, guys, one of each is $7. Subtracting your two $2 coupons, $4 is melting off. You're going to pay $3. Get back a $3 register reward when you buy 2, making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another super deal is the 2 for $8 on the Garnier or Whole Blends product. Now, I suspected that we would be working with a coupon off of either or product, and that's exactly what they did. They gave us this. It's 3 off of 2 for either the Fructis or the Whole Blend. I went with the Fructis Mousse, which is a styler. So grabbing 2 of the mousses for $8, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per mousse. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And it's nice to see a styler in the mix. And then just to show you, yes, it did print out for the mousses. So if you want to do that, I mean, by all means, go for it. Now, this is the booster. I keep saying booster, booster, booster. But if you're wondering, like, this is a paper booster, a 5 back when you spend 15. Let's throw the last 2 deals together. So grabbing 1 of each, a paste and a brush for $7, and then 2 of those Garnier mousses for $8. That's $15. So you get the cashier to scan that paper booster, 5 back when you spend 15. You have $7 in digitals melting off, 4 for Crest and Oral-B, and a 3 off of 2 for the Garnier. You're going to pay $8 with your debit card, credit card, or bills, whatever you want to use. You're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash and 2 $3 register rewards, making this free and a $3 money maker. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using a spend booster in the mix. But like, what a deal. You get 4 free items and a $3 money maker. Very basic, straightforward deal at $15 on the nose, and I would totally make this happen if you just want to do like a really quick little deal right before Christmas. Another great deal that we have is with the Colgate paste and brush, kind of similar to what's going on with Crest this week. Guys are on a promotion of a $3 register reward when you buy 2, and I'm going to let you guys know that the digital coupons for both of these showed up last week. So if you used them last week, sorry, it's only once per store card. But grabbing 1 of each at $4 a pop, that's $8. Subtracting 2 $2 coupons, $4 is melting off. You're going to pay $4, get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per dental care product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. If you have adult children, this would make the most perfect stocking stuffer. You have exactly 1 paste and 1 brush. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, now I'm just going to throw in a couple little deals that if you want to do them in store, if you have register rewards or Walgreens cash you want to burn through, these are both excellent. We have a BOGO free on the Oreo cookies, and it's the family size, so they're the much larger ones. And so it makes it basically like $3.74 per bag of cookies if you want to use it for a recipe or throw it in for, a stockpile gift for family, friends, whatever, smart. We have the buy 1, get 2 for free on the Complete Home bags. It's not just the little itty bitty ones, like we have the larger ones that are included. So it basically makes it 93 cents per box of 20 bags. These are very, very comparable to Ziploc, if not, I mean, they're almost identical, but it's like food storage, whatever you want to store in them. They're just fantastic. And then you have the freezer line too. I do love when this shows up because I do use a lot of these bags for cooking. Okay, so this next deal, again, we're going to be leaning on our best friend, which is the 5 back when you spend 15, and hopefully you guys are getting them to print. We're going to grab a more expensive refill by Schick. Now, I don't get confused by something. There's a disposable razor that's part of a deal, but it's like spend 10, get back 5. This is spend 20, get back 10 for the more expensive Schick. So you're going to get a ladies refill plus these razors by the men's. And you can't grab 2 for $9.99 each to try to get to that $20 mark because you're 2 cents short. This is not CVS. At Walgreens, you have to be $20 or more. Load the following digital coupons that include a $4 off for the men's and a $4 off for the ladies. Basic math here. So the $14.99 refill and the $9.99 razor is $24.98. Get the cashier to scan your 5 back when you spend 15 booster. $8 in digitals melting off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $16.98. Get back a $10 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per item. And do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance because you're using that booster, but what a deal. The final deal that we're looking at is with this booster. So 5 back when you spend 15. Pick and choose wisely how you wish to use it. For this, we're going to get 4 different types of P&G laundry care. So a bag of the Tide Pods. This was the only one working with the promotion as well. One of the Tide liquids, and they've made that bottle so tiny. I just noticed it today when I grabbed it. I'm like, man, either my hands got bigger or the bottle shrank. One of these dryer sheets for $5.49. You pick the scent. And then one of the fabric softeners for $5.49. And Downy Calm was in fact part of it, which is weird. It wasn't tagged, but early in the morning stuff happens. So just to show you my cart, here it is. We have 2 Free and Gentle products by Tide and Bounce, the Tide Pods and the Downy Calm. These are the digitals that I loaded that equal up to roughly $5. $1 for the liquid, $1.50 for the dryer sheets, $1 for the pods, and then this $1.50 that's attaching to the Downy Calm. So here it is, guys. 4 of those P&G laundry care products for $21.96. Get the cashier to scan your 5 back when you spend 15 booster. You have $5 in digital manufacturers melting off for you. You're going to pay $16.96 out of pocket with your debit card, credit card, bills, however you wish to pay. And then get back $5 in Walgreens cash for your booster, and then a $5 register reward for buying 4 of those P&G laundry care products. It makes it $6.96 for the 4 items, or $1.74 per product, which is a very good price point for P&G laundry care. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using that booster with this deal, but this is the time to stock up. That's it for this video, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.